Chapter 1 Roman numerals. In Europe, in the old times, Roman capital letters were used to write numbers. That is why they were called Roman numerals. In this chapter, we are going to learn how to write down English numbers in Roman numerals. The capital letter I was the symbol used for 1, capital V for 5, and capital X for 10. In this method, there was no symbol for 0. Let us learn the rules for writing Roman numerals. Rule 1. If either of the symbol capital I or capital X is written consecutively or continuously 2 or 3 times, their sum total is the number they make. Examples: I is 1 and it is written continuously. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. X is equal to 10 plus 10 is equal to 20, where X is 10. I. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Rule 2. The symbols capital I or capital X can be repeated consecutively for a maximum of 3 times. The numeral V is never repeated consecutively. XXX is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30, which can be written continuously. But capital X cannot be written 4 times continuously to get the value 40. Same way, capital I can be written continuously 3 times to get the value of 3, but cannot be written 4 times to get the value of 4. Rule 3. When either capital I or capital V is written on the right of the symbol of a bigger number, its value is added to the value of the bigger number. Examples: VI, where I is 1, V is 1, and I is written on right side of V. So 1 will be added to 5 to get the value 6. VII, where II is 2 and V is 5, and II is written on right side of V. As per the rule, 2 will be added and we will get the value 7. VIII, where III is 3 and V is 5, and as per the rule, III is written on right side of V, so we will add 3 to 5 to get the value 8. XV, where V is 5 and X is 10, and V is written on right side of X, so 5 will be added to 10 and we will get 15. XI, I is 1, X is 10, and I is written on right side of X, so 1 will be added to 10 to get the value 11. XII is 2 and X is 10, so smaller value, which is 2, will be added to 10 and we will get 12. XII, where III is 3 and X is 10, so there will be added to get the value 13. XVI, we will get the value 16. Rule 4. When I is written on the left of V or X, then its value is subtracted from the value of V or X. However, the symbol I is not written more than once before V or X. Examples: IV, where I is 1 and V is 5. I is written on left side of V. So it will subtract. 5 minus 1 will give 4. ix. Here I is written on left side of x. So 10 minus 1, we will get 9. Problem set 1. Write all the numbers from 1 to 20 using Roman numerals. Second exercise. Write the following number using international number. Exercise 3. Filling the empty boxes. Fourth, write the number using Roman numerals. Fifth, in the table below, each given number is written in the international numerals and then again in Roman numerals. If it is written correctly in Roman numerals, put correct in the box under it. If not, put cross and correct it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe this video.